Look at how cute that is. Today I'm sharing some cute finds from Etsy and working on orders. Hey everybody, how was your Thanksgiving weekend? I hope it was amazing. I was the chef this year, and let me tell you, the turkey was delicious. But now the holiday season is officially in full swing, and it's time to get back to the machines. Today is a work with me kind of day. We're playing serious catch up. I have a huge stack of Etsy orders that I need to get out the door, plus some bulk orders from my website. So definitely in turbo mode today, I guess. But I also did a little bit of shopping over the weekend. You know, I love to support small businesses. So later I'm going to share my favorite embroidery file stores. I'm going to show you where I got this really cute coffee mug. And I'm just going to feature like 10 really amazing Etsy shops. So first up on the machine is this bulk order for a local beauty salon. And this client ordered crew necks for all of the lovely ladies who work there. And I love these type of orders because it's consistent work and they're basically giving their team a uniform that they'll actually want to wear. And this is why I always encourage you guys to focus on local businesses. You're creating a consistent income that Etsy can't always provide. Plus, you got happy employees, which means return orders. If you are enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and keep watching. Thank you. I'm just going to take a quick coffee break here, and I want to show you how cute this coffee mug is. It has all these cute verses on it, you know, like the love of God is shown in me, and it has the verses with it. And just some more inspirational quotes like you are enough. And this is from an Etsy shop as well. I'll put it up on the screen right there because I do love shopping. You know, I have an Etsy shop. I love shopping on Etsy to support other small businesses. And I'm kind of bummed because the other day they had a 20% off the entire site and I didn't get my video uploaded in time, but I bet you anything that they're gonna have more discounts as Christmas comes on. So this one I love. There's the shop name right there. You can go and support that shop. Here is another shop that I really like. They have some fun designs. This is a iPhone cover, but I believe they have like Androids. They have covers for, they just have all kinds of really cute phone covers available. Next one is this sign from an Etsy shop called Chico Creek signs. They put their little sticker in the back, proudly made in the USA. And this is such a cute sign too. I have this sign and I have another one that says simply Delilah, although I can't find it right now, but I need to hang these up on that wall behind me. I want to be better about creating a really cute space, and I'm not really good at decorating so much. But this is another cute shop that you might be interested in getting for your sewing space. They will put anything on there. And so you could have them put like any type of saying and send out this cute sign for you. This shop really caught my eye because I love all the pretty fabrics. There are different styles and shapes and sizes, and this store is called Dragonflies and Ladybugs. And who else needs scissors with their names engraved in them? You got to check out this shop called Lasered Goods, and I have to have these scissors on my Christmas list. Next shop is Designwood Creations. She does acrylic projects, and this is where I ordered my ruler, which should arrive any day now, so I'll keep you posted on that. Novi Embroidery is an embroidery shop. Now look how cute those postage stamp files look. And Art Poly, I cannot leave these guys out. They have really nice embroidery files. I've purchased a few from them, and everyone is always asking me how I get my pet embroidery files. This shop right here I come to every single time to get an order, and she never disappoints on her pet files. Helen Embroidery. So you guys are always asking me like, where am I getting my embroidery files? I can burn like 30 minutes like that. When I say 30 minutes, I mean probably like an hour searching for cute designs on Etsy. This first one that I want to show you, look at how cute that is. Isn't that adorable? This one is from a shop called Stark. I think it is another German shop, and there's the information right there. But I thought this was just such a cute design. And then they've got like the moose, the snowman. It's just adorable. I couldn't wait to make this one up. So I thought, you know, you would be interested in it as well. And the next shop, I can't even pronounce. It's like shit. I didn't mean to say that, but I made these really cute, you may have seen them on my last video, these really cute little houses. And so I have an idea, and by the way, you guys, I am constantly having like ideas floating around in my head, and my mantra, I guess, or my goal from this day forward, maybe a rule that I have for myself, anytime I have an idea, I'm gonna act on it because I get good ideas. But then what happens is the left side of me, or maybe the right side of me, will talk myself out of the ideas. So I'm not gonna listen to that anymore, and I'm just gonna start acting on my ideas. One of my ideas is to make one that has my dentist office name on it. So see, this one I did Simply Delilah Embroidery. This one just says Santa Shop. I have that in Brilliant software. The file comes with Santa Shop, but I can change it to whatever I want. So like this one I changed it to Simply Delilah Embroidery. I want to make one for my dentist and bring that in there and see if maybe they want some beanies. I don't know, I'll probably talk myself out of it by the end of the video, but that is my plan. This next shop is called David Art Studio. And look at how beautiful this sweatshirt is. I don't want to take it out of this thing. Hopefully I have a picture right there. This is getting ready to be shipped out. The greatest gift of all, Matthew 1 verse 21. And this is a crew neck, but I thought that is so beautiful. This is also an easy stitch out because when I am selling apparel online on my shop, I want to make sure that it is a fast, easy design to stitch out. This one just has 2 thread colors. It's such a beautiful impact on this crew neck sweatshirt. I'm gonna make one of these for myself as well. And this is on a sand color Gildan crew neck sweatshirt. If you want to support any of these amazing shops, I put all the links in the description tab below. I gotta get busy. I have a whole bunch of orders stacking up. But hopefully when I post my next video, maybe it will be on my dentist office. Maybe he will order some beanies. I don't know. Stay tuned. So I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.